Hello students, in this lecture we see the examples of the type integral of a sin x, here a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. Here a, b, c, d are any real numbers. Okay, here a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. Then the solution method of such type example, here numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. Here numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. That means we adjust denominator and derivative of denominator in numerator. Okay, we adjust denominator as it is and derivative of denominator in numerator, like that. Here suppose it is a numerator and it is a denominator. We can write here lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator upon denominator. Okay, here our example such type, here we separate the denominator, then here lambda into, here it is a denominator upon denominator, okay, plus mu into, here derivative of denominator upon denominator. See carefully. Okay, and now here our integral. Okay, here it is only lambda, denominator get cancelled, here only dx, and plus here mu into, see carefully, here derivative of denominator upon denominator. Okay, here integral of dx, it is x, we know that, and here derivative of denominator upon denominator. That means numerator contains derivative and denominator contains function, that is f dash of x upon f of x. In numerator derivative and in denominator the function, that is f dash of x upon f of x, and the derivative of this function, it is a log of f of x, that means log of denominator. Only we find the value of lambda and mu, and lambda and mu are the scalars. Here lambda and mu are scalars. That means we adjust denominator and derivative of denominator in numerator. So when we adjust denominator and derivative of denominator, we get numerator. For the value of numerator, we multiply numerator by some scalar, and derivative of denominator, we multiply denominator by some scalar lambda, and derivative of denominator by some lambda to get the numerator. We want to only find the value of lambda and mu and put the value of lambda and mu in this term, and this whole term replaced by the numerator, and we get such type answer, that is lambda into x plus mu into log of denominator. That means the answer of this question. Okay, here we can write directly answer. Answer of this question. Okay, here it is lambda into x plus mu into log of denominator plus c. It is the answer of such type example. We can find only the value of lambda and mu. Okay, and then we can directly write the answer of the question. Okay, here we check it is answer or not by using the examples. Okay, here see carefully the exam type of the integral a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. Then numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. Okay, here we see one example. Here the example, integrate the following function with respect to x. Okay, here we can a replaced by 1, suppose b replaced by 2, C replaced by 3, and it is 4. Okay, our example is this. Okay, now here to find the integral of this function, here let I is equal to integral of sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Here a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. Okay, here value of a is 1, it is 2, 3 and 4. If any one value is 0, if a is a 0, then sign can absent, it is only 2 cos x. Okay, we see the next example here. First we see this example. This example in the type of a's integral of a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. Then the solution is adjust the derivative denominator and derivative of denominator in numerator. Okay, that why by adjustment it is a numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. Okay, here numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. Okay, see carefully. Now therefore you can write numerator sin x plus 2 cos x, see carefully, is equal to lambda into denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x and plus mu into derivative of denominator, it is 3 cos x minus 4 sin x, it is a derivative of denominator. Okay, it is a denominator and mu into derivative of denominator. Therefore this can be written as here 3 lambda. Okay, here we can write here is equal to 3 lambda sin x plus 4 lambda cos x plus 3 mu cos x minus 4 mu sin x. Okay, collect the sin and cos. Okay, see carefully. 3 lambda minus 4 mu sin x, and it is sin x plus 4 lambda plus 3 mu cos x. See carefully. Here this side it is 3 lambda sin x and last 4 lambda 4 mu sin x. We can get common sin x. 4 lambda and 3 mu. Here is a coefficient of sin x and it is coefficient of cos x, and this is equal to here. This is equal to this term. That means coefficient of sin x and it is coefficient of cos x. Compare coefficient of sin x and cos x. Compare the coefficients of sin x and cos x. Therefore we get 3 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 1. Coefficient of sin x, and here coefficient of sin x it is 1. Coefficient of cos x, and here coefficient of cos x is 2. It is equation number 1. And then 4 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to 2. It is equation number 2. Here using this relation we get two relations. Then find the value of lambda and mu and put there. Okay. Therefore equation, multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation by 4 and adding them. Here equation number 1 multiply equation number 1 by 3 plus 4 into equation number 2, this gives. See carefully. Equation number 1 multiply by 3 and equation number 2 multiply by 4. So we can write here 9 lambda minus 12 mu is equal to 3. See carefully. 9 lambda minus 12 mu and it is 3. Multiply equation 2 by 4, 16, then here 12 and here 8. It is a 16 lambda plus 12 mu and it's equal to 8, and then adding them we get here 25 lambda 12 mu cancel and it is 11, and therefore lambda is equal to 11 by 25. It is a one value. Lambda is equal to 11 by 25. From any one equation we find the value of mu. Okay, then by equation number 2, put the value of lambda. It is 4 into 11 by 25 plus 3 mu is equal to 2. Here 4 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to 2. We put the value of lambda, it is 11 by 25, and therefore 3 mu, see carefully, 3 mu is equal to, here 44, 2 minus 44 upon 25. It is a 44 upon 25, and here 2 minus 44 upon 25. That means here 50 minus 46, it is 6 upon 25. That is 3 mu is equal to 6 upon 25, and therefore mu is equal to, it is 2 upon 25. 3 mu is equal to 6 upon 25, therefore mu is equal to 2 upon 25. We get the value of lambda and mu. Put the value of lambda and mu in this term, and therefore numerator becomes sin x plus 2 cos x is equal to, it is lambda 11 by 25 into denominator 3 sin x minus 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus mu into derivative of denominator 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Okay, here we adjust denominator and his derivative in numerator. Here calculate this term, we get sin x plus 2 cos x. Okay, check this. Now replace numerator by this term. Numerator replaced by lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator, and therefore our integral is equal to 11 by 25 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 2 by 25 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Okay, here this term can be written in the numerator, and in denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. See carefully, with respect to x it is a dx. Here our example is sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Here denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x as it is, but we replace numerator by this term. Okay, here in this term. Now separate denominator, here it is a plus, separate denominator both the terms, therefore we get here 11 by 25 3 sin x plus 4 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Okay, we can separate integration also. 2 upon 25, here 3 cos x minus 4 sin x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, and it is dx. Now 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x both get cancelled, and it is 11 by 25. It is a constant, therefore here it is only dx, that is 1 dx, and plus 2 by 25, it is a constant, into integral of 3 cos x minus 4 sin x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Now we solve both the integral. Here integral of dx, it is x, and now here 3 cos x minus 4 sin x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Here see carefully, here it is derivative of the denominator. Okay, here we adjust it is derivative of denominator. Now it is f dash of x upon f of x, and we know the integral of f dash of x upon f of x, it is log of f of x. So we can directly integrate here 11 by 25 x and plus 2 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus c. Here we use integral of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Okay, here it is ln by 25x plus 2 by 25 log of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x, and directly answer here it is a lambda x plus mu into log of denominator, and denominator of the function it is his, this denominator. Okay, see carefully. Okay, check all the calculation. First we can write numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator, then it is a numerator. Okay, and here lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator, then we multiply lambda and mu, then in this side, okay, it is RHS. When RHS, it is a coefficient of sin x and it is coefficient of cos x, so these two sides are the equal, so we compare the coefficient of sin x and cos x, we get two relations, and then solving these two we find the value of lambda and mu and put the value of lambda and mu this, and then replace numerator by this term, and then separate the two terms. One term becomes constant, that is only lambda, and one term is f dash of x upon f of x, and then we get the answer. Okay, see carefully. Now we see the next example. In the exam we will ask any replace a b c d, replace any number, it is 1 2 3 4, any number, it is 8 9 minus 2 minus 4, any number. Okay, here then procedure is set. Next example is integrate the following function with respect to x. 1 upon 2 plus 3 tan x. 1 upon 2 plus 3 tan x. Now let 1 upon 2 plus 3 tan x, see carefully, dx. Okay, this example not in our form, that is a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. Here 1 upon 2 plus 3 tan x. Here the tan x can be used here with formula 2 plus 3 into sin x upon cos x. Here we can replace tan by sin upon cos. Okay, now when we multiply cos, it is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. 2 cos x plus 3 sin x upon cos x. We can write here it is a cos x dx, and now it is a type. It is a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. A sin x, value of a is a 0, b cos x, value of b is 1, c sin x, value of c is 3, and d cos x, value of d is 2. Now it is the integral numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. Okay. Now numerator is, it is cos x is equal to lambda into denominator 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus mu into derivative of denominator, it is minus 2 sin x and plus 3 cos x. Here numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. Now this can be written as here 2 lambda cos x plus 3 lambda sin x minus 2 mu sin x and plus 3 mu cos x. Here then it is 2 lambda cos x and last 3 mu plus 3 mu cos x plus 3 lambda minus 2 mu sin x. Now here it is a cos x equal to, compare coefficients of sin x and cos x. Okay. Here coefficient of cos x, it is here coefficient of cos x, it is 1, therefore we get 2 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to 1 and 3 lambda minus 2 mu is equal to 0. Coefficient of sin x, and here coefficient of sin x in LHS, it is a 0. It is equation number 1 and it is equation number 2. Okay. Now solve this equation. We multiply equation number 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Therefore 2 into equation number 1 plus 3 into equation number 2. This gives, see carefully, equation number multiply by 2, it is a 4 lambda plus 6 mu is equal to 2. 4 lambda plus 6 mu equal to 2. Now multiply by 3, it is 9 lambda minus 6 mu. 9 lambda minus 6 mu is equal to 0, and then it is 13 lambda, mu get cancelled and it is 2, and therefore lambda is equal to 2 by 13. See carefully, it is the value of lambda. Lambda is equal to 2 by 13. Now we find the value of mu by equation number, by equation number 1. Okay, we get it is a 2 lambda, 2 into 2 by 13 plus 3 mu is equal to 1 by equation number 1. Therefore it is 3 mu is equal to, it is a 4 by 13, that is 1 minus 4 by 13. It is 1 and it is 4 by 13. Take RHS, it is a minus, and then it is 13. See carefully, 13 minus 4, it is a 9 by 13, and therefore mu is equal to 3 by 13. 3 mu is equal to 9 by 13, therefore mu is equal to 3 by 13. We get the value of mu and it is a lambda. Then we can directly answer. Okay, we can write directly answer here, lambda into x plus mu into log of denominator, and denominator it is. That means the answer is 2 by 13 x plus 3 by 13 into log of 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. It is the last answer. Okay, we can directly write. Okay. It is answer is here. We can write integral lambda 2 by 13 x plus mu into log of denominator, that is denominator is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x and plus c. Okay, here it is the last answer. We can directly write. Okay, but for the board exam we can write step by step. Here lambda, we get lambda and mu, put this value. Therefore cos x is equal to lambda 2 by 13 into 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus mu 3 by 13 into derivative minus 2 sin x minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x. Okay, here numerator is equal to lambda into denominator plus mu into derivative of denominator. Then replace numerator by this term replace numerator by this term. Therefore integral is equal to 2 by 13 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus 3 by 13 minus 2 sin x plus 2 cos x whole to the upon denominator. It is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, and here it is a dx. Then separate the integral. 2 by 13 2 cos x plus 3 sin x upon it is 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx plus integral of 3 by 13 minus 2 sin x plus 2 cos x upon 2 cos x, so it is 3 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. Now this 2 cos x plus 3 sin x, 2 cos x plus 3 sin x get cancelled, and it is 2 by 13, it is a constant, therefore it is integral of dx plus 3 by 13 constant, and we can write minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x upon 2 cos x plus 3 sin x dx. Okay, now 2 by 13 integral of x, it is x, and 3 by 13, and here it is f dash of x upon f of x. It is a last answer. Okay, here we use integral of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Okay, it is the answer. Lambda into x plus mu into log of denominator. Okay, here it is f dash of x and it is f of x. Integral of f dash of x upon f of x, it is log of f of x. Okay, see carefully. Okay, check all the calculation, see carefully example.